So firstly, the patient needs to book an appointment with doctor with this platform. Uh, okay, I am going to speed the things up. So whenever this particular form gets submitted, it triggers this, workflow. Just a second. Yeah, it was already running for 6 to 7 seconds. Let's just wait for the, successful execution of this workflow. Yeah, it successfully got executed. And let me just, explain the things just like in basic waters. So whenever a new appointment request was made by the patient, it will triggers this workflow and it will grab the appointment time from it. And, you know, we send the customer issue and his explained symptoms to AI so that it will make the first hand diagnosis which is done by which is used to be done by junior doctor, but the thing is only just the basic AI, you know symptom diagnosis was done by AI over here. So the output will be like this, and it also, you know categorizes the department, you know to which this whole issue, at least the patient issue, was related. And the AI diagnosis will be over here, so no worries. And we just extract patient info and the patient AI diagnosis and, extract it. And we will, get present appointments. At least, we will do this particular, we will get this only for the cause of, removing the duplicate, appointments. So, yeah, let's move forward. And obviously, this is some custom JavaScript node, uh, which, returns the only unique appointments, which were not in the previous node, technically, in previous Google Sheets node. So, and we will, save new appointments over here. So yeah, when this happened, means when we saved a new appointment, it will looks like this. Just a second. Just look. So here is the patient issue, which the patient submitted the issue and, the symptoms and all. And here is the AI diagnosis for us, you know. So this AI diagnosis will be used by a real doctor, and then it is, it is so simple to access the patient at least for now. And obviously, the doctor department was also, explained over here. That particular issue may be morely related to this particular department, at least, neurology special. So, you know, you got it right. So let's move forward. And after that, for every department, we have to map the calendar IDs. Calendar IDs means, we create custom calendars for every single, department from your hospital. So yeah, I just created some simple, departments just to make sure. So after mapping them, we just create an appointment in that respective doctor department. Seriously, so just hear me out. The appointment will be made, but it will be intelligently made based on, based on the patient issue and based on the AI analysis. AI will tell, this issue was morely related to neurology. So this particular you know, this particular appointment will be directed to neurology departments, obviously. So let me just show you that. I'm going to, yeah. So I only showing you the neurology, present neurology calendar. So we can see over here, the appointments were also been made in only the particular department. So this is how, this whole n8 workflow works. So